Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the top 5 common mistakes in IELTS speaking and how to fix them. So, if you're stuck at band 6 or 6.5 in IELTS speaking, this video is for you. You know, it might not be your fluency, just a few common mistakes holding you back. And today we're going to discuss just that. In this quick video, I will show you 5 speaking mistakes many students make, even my students do, and you know how to exactly fix them. So let's go. First of all, mistake number 1 is memorize answers. So you see, examiners, they can tell when your response sounds too rehearsed or unnatural. So how do you fix that? You practice using natural language, not scripts. Okay, think in ideas, not exact sentences. Record yourself and just record yourself speaking freely and listen back. Okay, this is a very good tip. Listen back. Mistake number 2 is overusing fillers. So overusing fillers, for example, silence is better than filler. Pause, take a breath, and use linking phrases. For example, I just did that. Well, I would say, or let me think for a moment. That shows confidence. Mistake number 3 is short, underdeveloped answers. So giving short, one-sentence answers. For example, do you like to read? Yes, I like reading. That's not enough. Always expand your answers. Add a reason, an example, or your personal experience. You can say, yes, I enjoy reading, especially novels. I find they help me relax after a busy day. Mistake number 4 is incorrect pronunciation. Yes, it actually matters, okay? So mispronouncing common words. Maybe there might be words that's new to us, that's fine. But common words, this can confuse the examiner. Record yourself and use online dictionaries that offer audio. Focus on word stress and intonation. Even simple words like comfortable, they're mispronounced. Okay, the next mistake is ignoring the question. You cannot do that. Going off topic or not answering the question directly, that is a big no-no. So listen carefully, paraphrase the question to just stay focused. For example, if your examiner says or asks you, do you enjoy outdoor activities? You can start with, yes, I really enjoy outdoor activities, especially, then you can just, especially hiking, or just mention any kind of activity. So, or you can say, yes, I really, enjoy spending time outside. Now, let's just recall whatever we just, the mistakes that we just went through. The first one is don't memorize. The second one is avoid the fillers. The third one is expand your answers. Then work on your pronunciation and stay on topic. So fix this and you're already closer to band 7 or higher. You might not know, right? So if you like this video, just hit that subscribe and wait for more IELTS 7+ band tips and tricks. And comment below which mistake have you made, in your IELTS or in your bands. Let's just improve together. Bye-bye.